Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss an introduction to B trees. B tree is simply a balanced M-way tree. A balanced M-way tree, that is a tree of order M. A tree of order M is called a B tree. Order M is called a B tree. Simply these B trees are also a generalizations of binary search tree. B tree is also a generalization of binary search tree. That means in a binary search tree we have a single node. That means a node contains only one data and maximum of two children. One data and have maximum of two children. But in B tree we have more than one data and more than two children are also allowed. Okay, in binary search tree a node, this is the diagram, that is a node contains only a single element and a maximum of two children. But in a B tree it contains more number of data items in a single key and contains the more number of children, okay. And suppose a B tree, consider a B tree of order M. A B tree of order M has the following properties. Remember, these are the very important properties. A B tree of order M has the following properties. So the first property is of order M means every node has, if order M means how many, if binary search tree means f order true, binary search tree means an order true, maximum number of children are 2. Order M means the maximum number of children are M. Every node has a maximum of M children. One property is every node has a maximum of M children are allowed. Maximum of M children are allowed. And consider the leaf node. Suppose the leaf node has 0 children, because the leaf is at the last level. At the last level we have no children. So a leaf means a node which does not have any children, that is called leaf node. And remember the very important point, the root node has at least 2 children. The root node has at least 2 children. At least 2 children means, for example, consider this one. If we have a single element in the M-way search tree, we have discussed, if we have a single element, suppose k. If we have a single element, compulsory we have two values. One value that is less than the root, another values that is greater than this one. And remember, at least 2 children. This is the minimum number. Minimum of 2 children for every node. And all internal nodes. Internal node means the nodes other than root and other than leaf. All internal nodes have at least M by 2 children. All internal nodes has at least M by 2 children. The symbol is seal off. Okay. Children concept is completed. Children means simply the subtrees. The leaf node means the node which does not contain any children, that is called leaf node. A root node contains at least 2 children. That means minimum of 2 children. All internal nodes contains a minimum of M by 2 children. And similar to this one, every node has a maximum of M minus 1 keys. That is, a node contains, if order M means, here this order represents the number of children. Remember, order represents the number of children. Order M means a maximum of M children. So if you have M children means M minus 1 keys. We have 2 children means how many number of keys in the data? 1, because one child is less than this one, other child is greater than this one. So we have 2 children means 1 key is present. So m children and m minus 1 keys. Each node contains a maximum of m minus 1 keys. And similarly the root node. So consider the root node. How many number of children? At least 2 children. Suppose if it has at least 2 children, the minimum of 2 children means how many number of keys? It has 2 children, it requires only 1 key. So the root node contains at least 1 key. Simply the keys are always 1 less than the children. Root has at least 1 key, and all other nodes contains at least m by 2. Here actually m by 2 means children, m by 2 minus 1 keys. All other node contains m by 2 minus 1 keys. Okay, m by 2 minus 1 keys. And very very important point, remember, all leaf nodes must be at same level. All leaf nodes must be at same level. That means we are always performing insertion at the leaf level. Okay, once again, B trees is a balanced MV tree. That is, a MV tree of order M is called a B tree. So it is simply generalization of binary search tree. A B tree of order M has the following property. Here remember, order M means the number of children. In simple term, it contains the maximum of m children. If you want a maximum of m children, how many keys are required? M minus 1 keys are required. See this one. For a maximum of m children, the maximum of m minus 1 keys required. So in the minimum case, the root contains a single element. The root node contains a single key. If it contains single key, minimum. If it contains single key means minimum how many children? 2 children. Okay, and then all the nodes, internal node contains m by 2 children, seal off. Automatically the number of keys are minus 1. M by 2 minus 1. A B tree order 3. A B tree of order 3 is called 2-3 tree. A B tree of order 3 is called 2-3. A B tree of order 4 is called 2-3-4 tree. A B tree of order 3 is called 2-3. A B tree of order 4 is called 2-3-4 tree. Suppose consider order 3. How it is represented? So m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3 means how many number of children's? At least. M is equal to 3 means at least, and at least keys and at least children. Remember, see this one, at least other than root. Root has at least 2 children. That means the root contains at least 1 key, and all internal nodes contains m by 2. M by 2 means 3 by 2. 1.5. Seal of 1.5 means 2. That is, all the nodes contains at least 2 children. Okay, 2 children. Automatically it contains at least 1 key, and the maximum of 3 minus 1, 2 keys and 3 children. Okay, first to write on this one. So m is equal to 3 means what is the minimum case and maximum case? At least means the minimum case. Minimum case is the number of children are 2. Keys is equal to 1. The maximum case is 3 children and 2 keys. For example, consider the values some 30 and 70. Okay, this is the root node. The root node contains 2 keys. And how many number of? If it contains 2 keys, then it contains 3 children. Suppose see this one, 10. 40, 50. It contains two children. This node satisfies the property. It contains only one key. Only one key, because minimum one key is also allowed. It contains two keys, so maximum two keys are allowed. It contains one key, that is also allowed. That is also allowed. Simply an order 3. An order 3 means each node contains, in simple terms, each node contains 3 means 2 keys and 3 children. Each node contains the maximum of. Each node contains 2 keys and 3 children. Suppose if order 5, if you are using order 5, order 5 contains, each node contains 4 keys, automatically 5 children. This is the maximum case. This is B trees. In the next session, we will discuss how to perform insertion operation in B trees. Thank you.